Friends, today I'm going to unbox my birthday bash box. So I ordered a Giva necklace, a Giva earring, lip cheek tint from Earth Rhythm, and this is one more product which is quite personal. I don't want to discuss. So I'll show you what I got. Let's unbox. Yes. Hope you love this as much as I do. Yes. Ah, so pretty. More than what I expected. So pretty, so pretty. So this is in 925 pure silver. Let's unbox another one. Let's open. Ah, so pretty. So cool. So sweet. So these are the presents which I presented myself. I bought it for myself on my birthday. So I've never tried Giva jewelries before. This is the first time I've purchased from Giva. There were other options as well, like Lara, but I opted for Giva because I don't know, I felt a sort of trust on Giva. So yeah, I'm liking the quality. It has beautiful shine and it looks different. Nice. I'm loving it. Let's check the tint. This is from Earth Rhythm and people say it is a dupe of Face Shop tint. I don't think so that it will compete Face Shop's tint, but still check it out. I think the quantity is really good enough. So 5 gram of quantity is mentioned here, which is much more than Face Shop's tint. Let's check out the formula and the consistency. Next to Face Shop's tint, I must say, very similar, very similar, and I'm happy.